Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your authority and the location rules, because clarity avoids confrontation. Once legal basis is set, approach calmly and announce your intent. Tell the person what you will do and why. Ask them to step to a safe, private area and to empty pockets and remove bags. Make a quick visual sweep for weapons, medical devices, or syringes before touching. This reduces risk to both of you and sets the stage for a controlled, respectful search. Begin a head-to-toe, systematic pat-down so you don't miss concealed items. Consistency prevents oversight. Start with outer garments, then hands, shoulders, chest, and move down to waist, pockets, and thighs. Keep one hand on the person when possible to steady and reassure them while the other probes. This also gives you tactile feedback for hidden objects. Verbally describe what you are checking to maintain transparency. Use gloved hands if required and inspect shoes, belts, and any bags last. Once the search is complete, return non-prohibited items and explain if anything must be retained, why, and how it will be handled. Make a clear record including time, location, identities, items found, and witnesses. Accurate notes protect you and the subject. If the person becomes non-compliant or you suspect danger, pause and request backup or medical aid rather than escalate solo. That single troubleshooting tip, stop and get help, keeps the situation safe and defensible under scrutiny.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.